Applying cell styles to a range to make them look more attractive. We will highlight the range that is required and then go onto the Cell Styles feature button and select the relevant one. Company policy will prevail regarding to what is allowed and what is not allowed. So we go here and we can use the preview, and you can see before you selected what it's actually going to look like, and then once you've decided, you selected the one that you want, and that cell style will be applied to the range that you have selected.